morning, welcome to the VSA Capital 5-Minute Morning Miner on Thursday, the 8th of January. I'm back in London. Paul's in London. We're all in London.
Yes, we are.
We are, aren't we, Paul? Okay, news today. Let's start off with CAML, which they've had production update today. Doesn't tell you, of course, people are wondering here now what they're going to do after their failed bid attempt, and they're building up a cash pile. So there's a lot of, people want more information than just production, I think, which all looks fine. But Paul, talk us through the production.
Yes, that's right. It's the for Central Asia Metals. It's the Q4 and full year operations production statement for the Kunrad copper leach project in Kazakhstan. That copper production was 13,300 tons. For the Sasa lead zinc underground mine in North Macedonia, zinc production was just shy of 17,900 tons, and lead cons production was 25,150 tons. They gave a production outlook for 2026 where they expect that the copper output might be lower slightly, something lower than 13,000 tons. Zinc, they think, will be a little bit higher at Sasa of at least 18,000 tons, and the same for lead and concentrate for Sasa as well. They think that will be above 26,000 tons at that operation. Cash held at the 31 December is at $80 million. So they do have cash in the bank. They plan to also put another 850,000 sterling into their Scotland nickel exploration project called Aberdeen Minerals.
Yeah, I mean, we sort of need to know a little bit more about what their plans are. This is, and also actually, of course, what it doesn't tell you is production, but it doesn't tell you the profit they're making with the copper price where it is.
Right,
But
that
moving
comes with the finances. That comes with the
Well,
financial statement. Yeah, this is the production statement.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Moving on, Paul. What else do you want to talk about?
We have, I wanted to say that among gold producers, we had two companies put out results here. Amaroq, which is the tri-listed, the Greenland gold producer, they actually met their guidance of production with over 6,000 ounces produced from the restart of the Nalyadek mine. So that's coming along very nicely. And yesterday we also had TSX listed Mexico gold miner Heliostar Metals. They also were within their guidance for full year production as well at 34 or just over 34,000 gold equivalent ounces from their now two operating mines there in Mexico. The key point on Heliostar's situation is they have a cash balance now at the end of last year of $41 million and no debt outstanding at all. And having followed this company for a couple of years now and been quite closely during 2025, I know that $41 million number is about 300% higher than the amount of profit they expected to have in cash balance at the time that they were discussing it back at this time last year. That just shows how much leverage to that gold price we talked about yesterday these new gold prices give producers.
Yep, there is a lot of leverage. Anything else, Paul? I think that's pretty about it. It's quite quiet, isn't it?
Otherwise, pretty quiet, yes. World Gold Council thinks peak gold for the globe will turn about in 2027, but I'm not that pessimistic, I would say.
All right, we'll call it a day there, right? Thank you much, Paul.
Yep.
This podcast has been produced and edited by VSA Capital. It is intended for information purposes and not as investment advice. The information is intended for recipients who understand the risks associated with equity investments in smaller companies. Please do your own research and do not rely on a single source when making an investment decision. VSA Capital may derive fees from this content and seeks to do business with the companies mentioned.